Japan has been trying to revitalize its rural regions for decades. However, many digital transformation projects stop at the pilot stage. Why does this happen? In this video, we will explore why regional digital transformation in Japan often struggles to move beyond experiments, and what conditions are necessary to make it actually work. We will also look at several real-world examples from Japan, including smart agriculture and local government DX. First, let's briefly understand what regional revitalization DX means. Japan is currently facing several structural challenges: population decline, rapid aging of society, and depopulation in rural areas. Many young people move to large cities like Tokyo, leaving rural regions with shrinking populations and labor shortages. To address these issues, the Japanese government and local communities have been promoting regional revitalization. In recent years, digital technology has become a key tool in this effort. This approach is often called regional revitalization DX, meaning the use of digital technology to support sustainable local economies and communities. However, many projects struggle to move beyond the experimental stage. Several factors are often pointed out. First, limited funding. Local governments often operate under tight budgets, making it difficult to sustain long-term digital initiatives. Second, shortage of digital talent. Many municipalities lack professionals who can design and manage digital systems. Third, unclear responsibility and KPIs. In some projects, it is not clearly defined who is responsible for long-term operation or how success should be measured. When these conditions overlap, digital projects may succeed in demonstrations but fail to continue in real-world operation. So what makes successful projects different? Many studies on smart cities and regional innovation point to one important factor: collaboration between government, companies, and universities. This model is sometimes called the triple helix model. In successful projects, local governments design long-term policies and coordinate the overall structure. Private companies provide technology and implementation capabilities. Universities and research institutions contribute expertise, data analysis, and human resource development. When these roles are clearly defined, digital initiatives are more likely to move from experimentation to real implementation. Let's look at some examples. The first example focuses on digital transformation in local government operations. In Japan, the Cabinet Office operates a platform called the Regional Revitalization (SDGs) Public-Private Partnership Platform. This system connects municipalities with companies that provide technology and services. One example is a company called Tsunagi, which developed a tool called Machibot. Machibot helps local governments generate meeting records and administrative documents, reducing the workload of municipal staff. Several municipalities have already started experimenting with such tools to improve administrative efficiency. The second example focuses on reconnecting young people with their hometowns. In Japan, many young people leave rural areas for education or employment. As a result, maintaining connections with these people has become an important policy issue. This concept is called relationship population. It refers to people who do not live in a region, but maintain ongoing relationships with it. One example is a service called Favtown, provided by Synergy Marketing. Using digital tools such as line messaging, the platform keeps young people connected with their hometowns. It shares local events, job information, and community news, helping maintain long-term engagement with the region. The third example comes from agriculture. Japan's agricultural sector faces serious labor shortages and an aging workforce. To address these challenges, the Japanese government launched the Smart Agriculture Demonstration Project. This initiative promotes collaboration between farmers, technology companies, and research institutions. One well-known example comes from Sarabetsu village in Hokkaido. Farmers there have experimented with GPS-guided autonomous tractors. These technologies help reduce labor requirements and improve efficiency in large-scale farming. Such initiatives are increasingly seen as models for sustainable agricultural innovation. These examples represent different areas of regional DX: local government operations, community engagement, and industrial transformation such as agriculture. Despite their differences, they share one important characteristic. They are not just technology projects. They are collaborative systems where government, companies, and academic institutions work together under a shared long-term structure. The success of regional digital transformation is not determined by how advanced the technology is. Instead, it depends on whether collaboration between government, companies, and universities is designed as a coordinated system rather than a simple division of tasks. When these roles are aligned, digital transformation can move beyond experiments and become a sustainable part of regional development. Are similar digital transformation projects happening in your region? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about initiatives from other parts of the world.